over the dashboard, and now I want to kind of run you through how to get the most out of this Notion template. So we'll start where it all begins, getting a view of your year at a glance. This is your tab for your annually, and as you can see, you get an overview of your different monthly reflections, which, as you'll see later from the monthly tab, you can update as you go, but this gives you a general idea of how the year is going. As you continue to fill out your reflections, these will be updated. So, for instance, I'm going to go ahead and click on the January tab. After the month is over, I'll be able to say on a rating scale of 1 star to 5 star, 5 stars being that this month was fucking amazing. I can rate my month, put in my overall mood, and then journal whatever I want based off of these templates. So let's say in the new moon, added a monthly reflection. I will have generated prompts here for the new moon, how I felt emotionally, physically during these phase, what kinds of rest that I needed. But if I don't want to have any of these questions here, I can update the questions that I need to have as a review. So this is really as customizable as it gets. You can go ahead and review however you want, prompt yourself with whatever questions, write down whatever you need to. If you want to add in photos, you can add in photos. And if you don't know the basics of how to operate Notion, I would highly recommend watching some foundational videos on how to add, let's say, photos or how to change colors, but that's not what we're here for. I'm just here to show you how to get the most out of the template. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that for now. So yeah, you'll get an overview of your monthly reflections as you continue to add new reflections. As you scroll, you'll see a vision board. So this is my vision board that I created in January of 2024. It's hanging up in my office, but also it is here. I love to get a little bit of a mix of things. So between paper and the kind of real world and then the digital world as well. So I'll be able to reference my vision board whenever I need to kind of drop in with my goals or I need a little review. And I love that this is integrated into my Notion template. So if you want to change this, you can tap these three little dots here that will take you to the screen and press replace and upload a photo of your vision board so that you have yours. As you scroll down, I think music really has the capability to take you to a specific moment. So I loved adding my own playlists of the songs of the year, and all of these songs are songs that have really shaped my year so far of 2024. And if you want to add your own playlist, you can go ahead and add these three dots here and do the same thing. So replace and embed your Spotify playlist link here. As for now, you'll be stuck with mine. I hope that you can get a little kick out of these songs. Then you'll see from the right this guided meditation for visualization. I've been listening to this bad boy for a long time now, and this is just an amazing guided meditation that allows you to visualize what you want your house to look like, who you want to spend your time with, your work, who you want to work with, how you want to work. The video is a little lengthy, it's about 30 minutes, so if you ever have time, feel free to just drop in, put yourself in a calm environment, tap into here if you don't really know what you want, and whenever you need a bit of a little drop in with your goals, listen to this video. It has helped me so much. And as we scroll down, we'll have an overview of our master calendar. Everything we update on this master calendar is going to update for our month tab and our weekly tab. So here, if I know that for the month of July, I'm going to be on vacation from the 2nd to the 26th, I can go ahead and add that in there. And I just do that by pressing the plus button and putting vacation to Bali, whatever. And then I can put Bali and the blah, 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 whatever I need to add in here. And if I wanted to even type in more for planning this trip, I can put in budgeting or utilize the other Notion templates that are available. So you'll get that here, May 28th, and then end date, let's say June 27th. So that's going to add my vacation there. And I can go ahead and delete this bad boy. But that will update itself on my month tab and my weekly tab. So here's my overview. I can do my planning for the month. So if I know that there's any birthdays that I want to remember, any important doctor's appointments, any important things for the year, maybe I have a wedding to go to in a couple of months, I would add this into my year. I have on every single tab a little place for notes or a brain dump. By the way, each of these photos can be updated. You just press, like I said, those three dots and replace. Now, I have a place for brain dump. So if I want to add in here, ooh, I want to get my brother a Christmas gift and I want to buy him a customized dog chain, whatever the fuck I want to put. This is just like a brain dump section that you can throw in here. 2024 goals, 2024 manifestations, things that you want to call in, different resource videos. If you wanted to change this, again, all you had to do is press replace, add in a different video link there, and then underneath your master calendar, you're going to have annual reflections. So this is like at the end of the year, you can type in reflecting on the past year, add in your different journal prompts if you want to, or just respond to the generated questions. So from the beginning of 2024 or wherever it is that you are, you can fill out this prompt to get a good idea, and then if you're at the end, fill this bad boy out. But like I said, the best thing about this is it's so customizable. So you're just starting out with your Notion template. You want to begin at the annually. Just to recap, create your vision board. Put your vision board here. As your months pass, you'll be able to see a general overview of how your year is going. Tap into this guided meditation for moments that you're maybe feeling a little disconnected from your goals. Update your music and get brought back to specific moments and areas of your life through rhythms of songs. Here's your master calendar that you'll be able to adjust important days and appointments that get integrated immediately to your monthly and your weekly tabs, and have a little bit of a reflecting and goal setting time. This is your annual tab. Now let's move on to seasonally.